for a big day, searching around all the animals.
Yeah, change of pace. The boys put in a massive effort hiking yesterday, so we promised we'd bring them to the zoo and
just having a down day today.
Yeah, having a bit of a quiet one. We might do a little bit more hiking tomorrow, but yeah, so now we'll go in and check it out. And
actually feeling pretty good today.
Yeah,
don't even
way better than I thought we would. So
yeah, I was thinking I was gonna wake up really sore from yesterday.
I feel like I was gonna wake up.
Yeah, feeling good.
Yeah, it's feeling good. So now we'll go check this out and give you a look inside. Everyone's favourite little rat bags.
They can jump up to here, Dad.
The meerkats.
Daddy, they can jump up to here.
Turn around, face me.
Meerkats are the raddest. I love them. I'm sitting and watch these little fellas play all day.
That's they'll argue a little bit, just like typical brothers. But they do love their insects as well, so they're going to try to find these things now. They go over you. I want to piece of top. I'm putting in the backpack. I want to cuddle.
Okay, so through this section you can feed the deer. Get up close and personal with some deers, which
Duckies.
is pretty cool. But like all the ones where you feed the animals in zoos, you just get mobbed by a heap of them. Back down the track there, there's a heap of them. So, you know, found the buck on its own. So, having a bit of a
me cuddling.
bit of love with the buck.
He's like swinging the lettuce around. He's doing a little dance too.
That's Mason.
And these guys eat like our kids. Every time we give them vegetables, they throw them all over the room too.
So we've just come to where the peacocks are, and it's amazing, the feathers when they spread their wings, and it's doing a little dance for the female. Yeah, it looks amazing.
I just got a good car. First dingoes of the trip, not exactly in the wild, but anyway, dingoes all the same. Slightly fatter looking than the wild dingoes we've seen around the place.
Hello, Bullaby.
There's the rhinos. Not sure if male and female being separated, but definitely not overexerting themselves today. Swinging around, have a look.
There's a pony.
Living the lazy life today. God bless them. So now we come to, in my opinion, some of the coolest looking animals in the world. Swinging around. Made it to the bisons. Check these bad boys out. They're obviously shedding for getting ready for summer here in Australia, but the heads on these things are massive. Absolutely incredible animals, I love them.
No, I keep putting it down there, but he stopped.
Yeah, it was good. Not too overpriced and had lots of different animals there. The boys had a ball. So yeah, recommend if you're in the area, stopping in, check it out. I think we paid, what did we pay, about $95 for a family pass, which...
Yep, and a couple of dollars each for a bag of food to feed the animals.
Yeah, no, that's good.
Paul's got zoo done and dusted. Now we're going into town to find some ice cream. Yum, yum.
Look how big it is.
Morning. Last day here in the Grampians. We've got a bit of a change this morning. We're going to go and check out some of the Aboriginal art. The first one we stopped at is Bunjil Shelter, who apparently in Aboriginal dreaming is the creator of everything. So yeah, apparently this is like the major art around here, so we'll go and check it out and hopefully we can film. If not, we respect that and we'll give you a bit of a rundown when we get back out. But yeah, if we can show you once we're up there, we will. But a lot of these culturally significant places don't allow filming, so we 100% respect that if we can't. But we'll go and check it out. Yeah, so that's Bunjil, the creator of everything in Aboriginal dreaming. So it's got a fence around it, obviously to conserve it, keep people out of it and stop damaging it. But up around the cave that you can see there, there's more paintings which are his protectors. They're pretty hard to see, but you get on the right angle you can see them. A bit hard to film, but yeah, anyway, pretty cool. So he's apparently the one created everything to do with the Aboriginal dreaming, so which is pretty cool. The boys, before they finished school, were doing cultural studies and learning all about the Aboriginal culture. So yeah, very interesting. So we're on our way into the next bit of Aboriginal art, and Golgan Munja, I think it's called. It's a hollow mountain car park. It's a 750 metre walk in. Yeah, so we'll go in and check it out and see what it's like. A few people at this one, so but there's also the hollow mountain walk you can do, but I don't know if we'll do that. We've got a fair bit on today, but we'll yeah, go and check it out and show you what it's like. So I think we've broken one of our children. There you go, little man.
So Jackson's feeling a bit unwell today.
Yeah, he's woken up not too well.
We're just doing a lot of the easy walks today to
taking it slow.
it slow, yeah.
Nice little breeze, so it's not super hot, but yeah, little man's not that well, so just nice easy one today. But we still want to see a few things before we head off tomorrow. So
let's keep going.
We'll keep going. Back in the back corner there, there's like trees, look like they're 3 strokes like that. They're emu feet.
Yeah.
So again, they're all blocked off by wiring for protection, and yeah, protection from vandalism.
Not protection from the mosquitoes, but.
But yeah, if you can see, there's some handprints and emu tracks and things up the back there. We'll give you a bit of a look. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it, but yeah, well worth the 700 metre trek up to here to have a look. Yeah.
English is tough this morning.
Let's see.
Back down. That's all. This is it.
Young people's hands. Yeah, so you see the handprints there. So where these guys lived, as far as prime real estate went, they'd done alright. Check out the view from up the top here. Not a bad outlook out your front door.
Look how much mosquitoes are in.
Alright, head back down, go to the car and go check out the next one.
So we're just heading up to our third Aboriginal rock art for the day. It's a circuit loop. It's about 750 meters, as it says on the sign there. Yeah, so we'll have a walk around and give you a look. Just wait for these boys to catch up. I think everyone's ready to go, so let's go.
So it means white people.
Huh? What, Dad?
So this is the first or second.
Dude means white people, white person.
So this is the
can see the white people
third Aboriginal painting that we're at. There's two.
Where?
There.
Nah, I don't think. No. So that was the final Aboriginal art that we're going to see. There is some more, but they're closed. The tracks into them are closed for the rain, and they're not recommending people go out to them. So we stopped into that one. Now we're going to go and check out the waterfall. I think Mackenzie Falls, and I think that'll nearly be our time here in the Grampians done. But we'll see if we. They did say that the tracks may be closed into the waterfall, so I don't know.
I think the lookout is open, but the walk down to the bottom of the waterfalls is still closed.
Right, so we'll go and check that out, and if we can get to them, we'll show you.
This is what I love about doing these bush trails and just seeing all the wildlife and seeing the flowers and everything in bloom. There's so many shades of green, there's so many different colors. It's just amazing. And we just witnessed, you know, one of our native animals, you know, in its natural form and environment. Yeah, it's amazing. But we're gonna go because we're getting smashed by mosquitoes.
Yes, plenty of mosquitoes. Just all the water lying around there, just everywhere. But anyway, that is what it is.
Yeah.
Have to get used to that,
Anyway,
I guess.
I get so excited. This is what I absolutely love about doing this.
Beautiful time of year to be doing this for sure. Still in spring, all the flowers out and everywhere just green, especially with all the rain. But amazing. So last thing on our to-do list, we're going to walk into Mackenzie Falls. It's about 2k return, I think. But it's meant to be pretty flat. You can get wheelchairs up there, so hopefully, because I think everyone's just about over walking. It's been a big 3 days.
Yes.
Definitely lots of walking in the Grampians, so, but totally worth it. But yeah, no, we'll see when we get in there. Wow, so much water. These are incredible. How about that? So loud up here. There's so much water running over these falls. This is Zumstein Falls. Yeah, absolutely stunning. They're not the highest, but bloody hell, the amount of water rushing over them is just amazing. Can't wait to get up to Mackenzie's, which is meant to be the big of them all. So, we'll check this out and then head up there and see what it's got to offer. Pretty excited, just quietly. Some of the Grampian scenery is absolutely breathtaking. Yeah, it's kind of like nothing I've seen before, so yeah, definitely worth the effort to go and see some of these places, because absolutely stunning. For anyone that knows, I'm petrified of heights, so that was doing nothing for me. But anyway, got the shot for the tube, so it's always worth it.
It's amazing, and no wonder the bottom walk is closed, because the water is like right up to the viewing platform down there. It's yeah, and it's flowing pretty hard, so you wouldn't want to be down there.
Right, so we're going to go up to the top lookout for McKinnon Falls, because you can't get down to the bottom, but we'll yeah, show you what that looks like when we get there. and that's Mackenzie Falls. Yeah, from the bottom of that would be absolutely amazing, the amount of water coming over. The lookout's a fair way up and from it, so still very impressive. But yeah, if the walkway was open down to the bottom, it'd be stunning. But anyway, here's what it is. So yes, that's Mackenzie Falls. What a place. Yeah, been an amazing 4 days here in the Grampians, and Lake Lonsdale has been absolutely amazing. If you're not into off-grid and you want to stay in, if more caravan parks are more your thing, in what's the town in there?
Halls Gap.
Halls Gap. Mental blank. There's heaps of caravan parks and whatnot, but yeah, if you're looking for off-grid, Lake Lonsdale, highly recommend it. It's been amazing, yeah. But the Grampians themselves are absolutely stunning. If you, yeah, definitely go out of your way for it if you're not here. I would probably recommend, we've had 4 nights, so 3 full days. I would probably recommend maybe a couple more if you can fit them in, because there's so much to see and do. We've done some pretty big days, as you've seen, but yeah, Lake Lonsdale and the Grampians, get around them. It's been amazing. As usual, if you're liking what you're seeing, jump over and hit the subscribe button, give us a like and hit the notifications. That cost you nothing, and we really appreciate it. But yeah, next episode I think we're probably heading towards the Great Ocean Road. We'll probably do the Great Ocean Road, I think.
Which I think we've said before.
Yeah.
But this time it's true.
Yeah. Well, until it's not, but anyway, join in. Appreciate you watching and hope you're enjoying what you're seeing. Right, guys, see you next time.
Bye.